Red rice is a type of rice that is unpolished and has a reddish-brown color due to the presence of the bran layer. It has a nutty flavor and a slightly chewy texture. In this video, I will be showing you how I cook red rice. In a medium-sized pot, add 2 cups of red rice. Rinse the red rice twice in cold water to remove any dust or debris. Note that in every cup of red rice, you need to add 2 cups of water. Soak the red rice for 20 to 30 minutes. After soaking the red rice, bring it to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat and cook the red rice for 20 to 30 minutes or until the water has been absorbed and the rice is tender.